Hi, my name is Chris Murray with the Project 1920 Bungalow Restoration. I thought it might be time to put a face to the voice and to the videos and talk to you a little bit about why this project is important in real estate. And a master lease is really a simple concept. If you can imagine a very simple way to explain this, if there were a strip mall and there was 10 locations, 10 stores within that strip mall, and the landlord wanted to rent those out for $1,000 a piece so he or she could collect $10,000 a month. Okay, if I came in and I leased all 10 of them with the right to sublet those spaces to whomever I wanted, and I would basically adopt the responsibilities of the landlord, well then I could, let's say, rent them out for $1,500 a piece per month. $10,000 a month would go to the landlord, the owner. The other $5,000 a month would stay with me, the master leaseholder. And then I could make $60,000 a year in profit. Well, that looks great on paper. The problem is finding someone that can swallow, right, all 10 of those units and then go out and find clients. I was not in a position to do that. I didn't think that this local business that was looking to move, they couldn't afford to do it. And I thought about this for a long time, and I come up with an idea, and I guess I like to call it the modular master lease, and here's how it works. This local business is going to be moving into the village July 1st, which is going to bring 3 jobs to the Village of Endicott. This business has the right of first refusal on 3 additional spaces in this building. So in other words, they can find a tenant themselves, charge that tenant whatever they want, and it will only increase their lease to me, a small amount, guaranteed for 12 months. They can do this 3 times. So they're able to quintuple their space, bring 3 additional jobs into the village on top of the 3 that are coming for a total gain of 6, and do all this without increasing their cost factor. It's a win-win-win. But I also want you to consider something. The reason I ask all of you to subscribe to our channel, it's not because I'm trying to monetize it. That will never happen. We won't be doing this long enough. It's that I want the politicians in the Village of Endicott to know that you, the citizens, are watching, that you've got your eye on this project, because we're going to ask them to work with us. We need them to reduce the taxes on the property so we can make this more affordable for everyone. And we need them to know that you're watching so they can feel the pressure. They can't sit by and do nothing and sit on their hands and continue to let this village erode. This is their chance to partner with us, bring 6 jobs into the village, and make this a better place. We're no IBM, we're no Endicott Johnson, but you know what? There's no IBMs out there anymore, and there's no Endicott Johnsons waiting to come into the Village of Endicott and do business. There's some restaurants that opened up recently. Kudos to them. But it's time to bring in some more business. So here's a chance to bring 6 jobs in through this Project 1920 Bungalow, this restoration. Happy to have you aboard. Please like the video and subscribe. We really need the subscribers. Thank you.